This is one of 8 hands-on lab tasters from the AI Security Fundamentals course, with each learner working inside their own CoCalc environment. In week 3, we zoom out from individual models to AI systems. As you can see, the labs combine annotated .py files and Jupyter notebooks to show how real AI systems are orchestrated. Models are no longer called directly, they're wrapped in tools, exposed via Model Context Protocol, MCP, combined with retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, and sometimes reviewed using agent-to-agent, A-to-A flows. This week shows why AI security is rarely about a single model. Risk emerges from how models interact with orchestration logic, tools and APIs, retrieved context, and other agents. You'll see how one model proposes an action, another critiques it, and how software ultimately decides what happens. The key takeaway is that models propose, but systems govern. This connects directly with the rest of the content. Once you understand how models behave, you can see how system design either constrains that behavior or amplifies risk.